Hi, welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe so that you can be getting all the videos with respect to preparation for KCET and UGC NET. Okay, so this is for each and every candidate who is giving the exam on 25th of July, KCET, and especially the life science subject. So last minute revision, these are the topics which you have not, which you should not miss. So starting with this TCA Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, this is a very important concept and you can expect questions from this topic for sure. Okay, so points to remember: citric acid cycle is an amphibolic reaction or amphibolic cycle because all the intermediates are used for different process or creating different biomolecules in the human body. And it's a 8-step reaction, so they might ask you questions like how many step reaction it is, then how many enzymes are involved. So there are 8 enzymes involved and 3 NADH molecules are produced, which gives out 1 GTP or ATP molecule, and it also releases out 1 FADH2 molecule and 2 carbon dioxide molecules are liberated. Okay, you can expect these 1 mark questions or multiple choice question from this. Again, what you can expect is the enzymes involved in this cycle. Okay, so starting with acetyl-CoA is converted to citrate with the help of citrate synthase. Okay, this is the enzyme which helps acetyl-CoA to be converted to citrate. Okay, and then the next one what you have is citrate will get converted to isocitrate with the help of aconitase enzyme, and isocitrate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate with the help of isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme, and alpha ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl-CoA using alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and then succinyl-CoA is converted to succinate using the enzyme succinate thiokinase, and then succinate is converted into fumarate using succinate dehydrogenase, fumarate into malate using fumarase enzyme, and oxaloacetate is being converted from malate using malate dehydrogenase. One thing you have to remember, that oxaloacetate is the final product of TCA cycle, and whichever word ends with ASE, you can see here fumarase, dehydrogenase, thiokinase, whichever words ends with ASC is an enzyme name. And also important point, this TCA Krebs cycle or citric acid cycles occurs in mitochondrial matrix outside cristae. So this also can be an important question. So these are the important last minute revision what you have to do with TCA Krebs cycle. Moving on with this important topic, that is endocrine and exocrine glands and the hormones produced, their target organs and the function. Okay, so firstly starting with pineal gland, the hormone secreted from it is melatonin, and target organ is many, and it functions biological clock. So the important term what you have to remember is this is the hormone of darkness, that is your sleep pattern or the sleep day and night or sleep pattern which is there, that is handled by or controlled by melatonin hormone. Okay, and like when it is dark we'll feel sleepy, and when it's dawn or when it's bright or light day, then we just wake up. That is all controlled by this hormone. Okay, and pituitary gland will secrete these many hormones, that is FSH, LHH, and FSH and LH. This is follicle stimulating hormone and this is luteinizing hormone, and they target on ovaries, and the function is menstrual cycle, controlling menstrual cycle. Then ADH hormone, okay, and this is the target organ, that is kidneys, and function osmoregulation, regulation of water level in your body. And then growth hormone, its target organ is many because all our tissues needs growth, and the major function is growth and division, okay, cell division or growth. Then is the oxytocin hormone, and its target organ is uterus and breast tissues. So uterus, the function is birth contraction during the child delivery or delivery. Birth contraction happens, that is uterine contraction happens through this hormone oxytocin. And also post childbirth for lactation, breast tissue is the target tissue here for milk production. Okay, and then thyroid gland, the hormone is calcitonin and thyroxine. Calcitonin target organ is bone, and which helps in calcium regulation and phosphate regulation. Then thyroxine, its target is most tissues and it helps in digestion, heart muscles, and even bone health also. Okay. Adrenaline gland, adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline target both, adrenaline secretions are targeting many organs in your body. Okay. Adrenaline is fight or flight. It is also called as emergency hormone. Okay. And cortisol, its function is anti-stress, so it reduces your stress. Whenever you're doing yoga and meditation, it boosts up the production of cortisol, and which will help you to de-stress. Okay. And pancreas, the major hormones is insulin and glucagon. Target organ is liver, and the function is it regulates the blood sugar level. So people with diabetic, their pancreas will not be producing insulin, hence they are given insulin injections. Ovaries, again a gland, and the hormone estrogen and progesterone are secreted from ovaries. The major target organ is uterus only, and it controls menstrual cycle and also the pregnancy. Okay. And testis, major hormone testosterone, and the target organ is actually the target organ would be many because it functions on secondary sexual characters in male. Okay. So these are the important concept that you have to go through. I'll be making several videos on this. So if you have liked my videos, please do like, share, and also click the subscribe button so that you'll get notified when I upload all my videos. Thank you so much, and all the best who's giving the exam for KCET. Thank you.